Dear students, today I am going to talk about rise of novels in the 18th century. Modern English novel came into existence in the 18th century. Though novel is not a new genre of literature, stories were written earlier also. We have stories in the works of some pre-Shakespearean playwrights, university wits, Lilly's works resemble modern novels. But novel in its modern form came into existence in 18th century. In the 18th century, there were four wheels of English novels. Who are these four wheels of English novels? Let me talk about them. These four wheels of English novels were: number one, Samuel Richardson. It was Samuel Richardson who wrote Pamela for the first time. Pamela is the first novel. So Samuel Richardson is said to be father of novel. Richardson was a great storyteller. He caught the attention of the people, audience, readers, towards social realism, social realities, social issues. Pamela represents the middle class society. The second important wheel of a novel in the 18th century is Henry Fielding. Henry Fielding's Tom Jones is a great novel. Tom Jones is a voluminous novel. It is a story of a man who is down to the earth. When the readers read Tom Jones, they feel that they have some features, characteristics, some personalities, individual personalities in Tom Jones. The third important wheel of English novel in the 18th century is Tobias Smollett. Tobias Smollett also wrote significant novels in the 18th century. The four important wheel of English novel in the 18th century is Lawrence Astor. These were the writers who enriched English novel in England in the 18th century. It is these authors, the writers, who paved the way, who made the way for the growth and development and maturity of novel as important genre of literature, important branch of literature. Now let me talk about some of the important reasons for the rise of novel in the 18th century. There were many reasons for the emergence of novels in the 18th century. In the 18th century, printing press came into existence. Earlier, people wrote books with their pens and they could write only few books. Manuscripts were available in only few numbers. So, there was no facility to print or publish more and more books. With the coming of printing press, more and more books were printed, and it gave rise to the birth, or it gave rise to the growth and development of English novel in the 18th century. The second important reason for the emergence of English novel in the 18th century is the coming of middle class. In the 18th century, middle class came into existence, and the middle class was asserting their rights, their duties, their responsibilities in society. They were getting powers. They were eager to voice their thoughts, their ideas, their views, their opinions, their critical opinions. So, the emergence of middle class in the 18th century gave rise to the emergence of novel in the 18th century. The third important reason for the coming of novel in the 18th century is economic independence of the people. Earlier, people wrote books and they were patronized by aristocratic people, rich people, lords, barons, and rich people of society. In the 18th century, people got significant income. Their income grew and they had economic independence, economic freedom. So they freed themselves from the dependence on the patronage on the rich people for bringing their books into light. So this was a major factor that contributed to the emergence of novel in the 18th century. The next important reason is the interest of people, interest of readers, interest of the common people in the reading of book. The people wanted to read more and more books. They found their lives reflected, expressed in the books in the form of novels. The novels were written in the forms of epistolary novels, serials, episodes, picaresque novels, and these forms of novels caught the attention of the reading public, reading people. Last but not least is the peace and tranquility in England. During the 18th century, English society witnessed peace, lack of fight, war, battle in the country. People were free to write books, to study books, to express their views and ideas in the books. All these factors contributed to the growth and development of fiction or novel in the 18th century. In my next video, I shall talk about more and more things about the growth and development of novel in the 19th century. Thank you very much.